Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about business insurance, general liability insurance, factory general liability insurance. Factory business, you have factory. If you are a businessman, you need to a factory insurance, or you have to you are a farmer, you definitely need to farming insurance. Okay, let's start it. Type of business insurance. Most type of business insurance available in marketplace. You have to need to choose your own business insurance. First, you can choose which type of business insurance you take and which business insurance for right your business. That's why first you need to choose this insurance, which is a business insurance for go to your business insurance and your details. Okay, and work compensation insurance. Work compensation insurance, almost every business in every state must insure against injury to work on the job. Some may do this through life insurance. That is by setting aside creating rewards for the contingency. Most small business purchase worker compensation policy available through commercial insurance trade association, and it is automobile insurance. Automobile insurance like a vehicle, we already know automobile insurance for your car and your office car and your in your big personal vehicle in your you can use this automobile insurance. Okay, and most of time you can use this is for most of the time you can use this automobile insurance for your personal and office. This is really favorite in the world. In your time you can need to this insurance. That's why this automobile insurance is really important for every businessman and normal man. And any business that use a motor vehicle should maintain at last a minimum automobile insurance policy by the vehicle covering person injury, property damage, and general liability. Property insurance. No business should take a chance of leaving unprotected its building, permanent fixture, machinery, inventory, and there are like various property policy cover damage to loss company, own property or to property of other storage. The permits malpractice insurance. Professionals such as doctor, engineer, accountant, lawyer. This is a malpractice insurance. Is really important. And depend business insurance depend on size. Malpractice insurance need accountant and will purchase the malpractice insurance to protect against claim made by disgruntled client or client for doctor. The most such insurance We rising over the past in 30 years, the largest become the largest journey award again. Physically, who neglect the practice of the profession. Business information on insurance. Business information insurance is really important. And business insurance, depending on the size of business, is unbelievable to loss resulting from a damage to essential operation. And you can use this business insurance if you have a business for this great for your success go to you easily. And the loss of rental insurance, liability insurance. A business faced with a host of risks, cloud result, substantial liability. Many type of politics are available, including policies for owner, landlord, and tenant. Some year ago, different type of individual business insurance cover had to be purchased, pays, and offer from different company. Most of insurance available for the package. Basic through single politics cover the most of important risks. Okay. The insurance at $3 look for profit must insure for your business at expire with the business. And you are still so business and insure you are very important for take care business insurance. Okay guys, thank you so much and watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.